I'm going to make my glaze, which is a key element to this process. So I have a little bit of mustard. This is just whole grain mustard.
Alrighty.
Add that right into the bowl. And I have a little bit of rum, actually.
Ooh, getting spicy.
So yes, a little rum, a little dark rum. This is honey.
That looks nice and rich.
Yeah. So I have some nice pieces of Atlantic salmon here. I'm just going to...
That's a beautiful piece, by the way.
Thank you. I'm just going to season them up. I have a little bit of olive oil here. I'm just going to... So I've got this pan going. I'm just going to
Nice little sizzle.
Yeah.
So bananas do have several things going for them. First of all, there's no fat, there's no cholesterol, so you're getting some nice, just healthy ingredients to start with. But what it adds is you're going to get a lot of potassium out of bananas. Bananas also have a good source of B vitamins in there, which we all need. Yeah. Bananas, plantains, real good if you have any kind of GI symptoms. Think stomach bugs, stomach flu. Yeah. It's a good way to replace those healthy vitamins into your diet.